Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best white dorm bed skirt for twin XL beds. The RIMELA dorm bed skirt with a 32-inch drop. If you're looking for a simple yet elegant way to upgrade your dorm room or bedroom, this bed skirt is definitely worth your attention. Right off the bat, this bed skirt stands out because of its ease of installation. Unlike traditional bed skirts that require you to lift the mattress or wrestle with awkward fabric, the RIMELA dorm bed skirt is designed with a wraparound elastic band. This means you simply slide it under the mattress, and it hugs the bed frame securely. The elastic allows it to conform nicely to your twin XL mattress dimensions, which are 80 inches long by 39 inches wide, with a generous 32-inch drop that covers the space under your bed completely. The fabric itself is a microfiber material, which offers a silky, smooth texture that feels soft to the touch yet durable enough for everyday use. It's designed to be wrinkle-resistant, making maintenance easy. If you want to freshen it up or get rid of wrinkles, just toss it in the washing machine. It's machine washable and dryable, which is a huge plus for dorm living or busy households. Aesthetically, the RIMELA bed skirt features a solid white color with an even, elegant ruffled design that adds a subtle charm without overpowering your room's decor. It hides imperfections beneath the bed like storage boxes, bed frames, or box springs, creating a neat and polished look. Plus, it's suitable for various bed types including mattresses, frames, platforms, and box springs. However, it's not recommended for beds with footboards or posts since the design relies on the elastic wrap around the mattress. This bed skirt is not only practical but also versatile. Whether you're in a dorm, a guest room, or a hotel setting, it's built to stand up to daily use while maintaining its fresh appearance. And for those who want extra security, pairing it with bed skirt pins can help keep everything perfectly in place. The brand behind this product, RIMELA, is known for quality and attention to detail. Each skirt undergoes strict quality control to ensure consistent fabric density, proper alignment, and durable stitching. They offer a wide range of sizes, drops, and colors if you want to customize your look beyond this particular twin XL white option. To sum up, the RIMELA dorm bed skirt in white with a 32-inch drop is a fantastic combination of style, convenience, and durability. It's perfect if you want a no-fuss, easy-to-install bed skirt that gives your dorm or bedroom a clean, elegant finish. It's machine washable, wrinkle-resistant, and designed to fit snugly without lifting the mattress, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their bedding setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your bed skirt game, check out the RIMELA dorm bed skirt twin XL. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.